Hi boys and girls, it's another week of Phi-Ed with Mr. Hall here at home. To start with today, we're going to do a quick bottle flip challenge. Now we did one with our hands the first week. This one's a little different. For this one, you're going to tie a bottle with any kind of string. This is just like some balloon string. You could use a piece of yarn. Be creative. So you're going to tie it to the end of your bottle. Again, a little bit of water in your bottle, and then you're going to tie the other end to your waist. And what you're going to do is start with your bottle laying down on the floor, and we're doing some jumping warm-up. So I'm going to jump and see if I can get my bottle to land straight up. So I'm going to just jump. See if I can do, oh, almost. I'm going to see how many times I can do it. Hey, there's one in a minute. Oh, there's two.
Daddy, you could just kick it down.
I could just kick it down, couldn't I?
You can just like line it right up and then.
Maybe it will be easier on the hard floor. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
You have to really.
Try to jump higher.
I'm jumping. Hey, there we go. There's two.
That's three down.
Oh, was it three?
Yeah.
Okay. See, that's why maybe you need someone counting for you. But it's a good one. Hey, there's another one. It's a good warm up. Hey, I don't know if you can tell, but Mr. Hall is kind of breathing a little bit hard. Maybe we've been quarantined too much. I'll see if I can do one more. Hey!
5 and 5.
5 and 5. So you can time yourself, do it for a minute, see how many you can do. Just do it for fun, but that's a good, fun little warm-up. Now, for our activities this week, we are doing some striking and volleying. Now, striking is just hitting something. I'm hitting an object into the air.
You could hit a volleyball, you could hit anything, but maybe not hard things.
You could hit a volleyball. You could do lots of different things. We're going to use balloons today because balloons.
Things?
We'll get to that, honey. Balloons float really nicely, and they're easier, especially for our younger students, to keep up in the air. So here's what's going to happen. Finley and Solomon are going to get.
Dad, can I use the teal one?
You can use the teal one, but why don't you come over here? Everyone's getting their own balloon, and all you're doing to start with is trying to keep it up in the air. Okay? You're just volleying the ball. I mean, striking it, bouncing it, hitting it up in the air. You'll have to probably move your feet because the balloon is going to float in different directions.
Yeah, it's going to float everywhere.
And move around the room. Now, you could do this outside, but obviously with a balloon it might be a little harder if it's windy outside.
Well, don't do it outside. Grass, it might pop.
If it touches the grass or a pine needle, it might pop. That's right, Finley. So this first one is just called Keep It Up. We're just volleying our balloon
It's not good.
up in the air.
This is not good for me or Finley. Or I said it might not be good for us. Whoa, Teddy!
Okay, so that's Keep It Up. Next, you're going to get a basket. It could be a box. You could put a hula hoop on the floor, something for your target. And now we're going to do an underhand serve. So an underhand strike. So we're going to hold it with our opposite hand, and we're going to put our opposite forward. That's right, Finley. So Finley's hitting with her right hand. She's got her left foot forward. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to hit and see if we can get our balloon to land in our target. And if it doesn't, oh, that was close, Sally. We just go and grab our balloon, and we come on back and we try it again. Striking, underhand striking. There you go, Finley. Oh, come on back, Solomon. Hey, there's one. Just keep seeing if you can hit your balloon into the target. And again, it can be a basket, it can be a box, it can be hula hoop, it could be some tape that you put in a circle on the floor. It doesn't matter. Or if you're outside, be creative. Okay, guys. Whoop, whoop. Now here's a little modification. I tape the balloon to the ceiling. Sometimes it's hard to hold the balloon and try to hit it, especially, again, for our younger students. So you can just hang one from anything. I just tape the string to the ceiling. Look out here, guys. You might get bonked with a balloon.
You
can hold it stationary, and you're just going to hit it. You can let it come back, or you can go and grab it with two hands. Put it back. You're going to step and strike again underhand. So that's just one modification you can do to make it a little bit easier. Okay? See if we can get that to stick there. Maybe. Hey, it works. Okay. For our next one, we are going to use paddles. First, we were using our hands. Now, you don't have to use the paddles. It's just kind of fun, though. Now, obviously, most of you probably don't have paddles at home. So, again, we made some. We just used a paper plate, and we used our trusty kitchen utensils, our spatulas, the little tape. We've got a handle, and we've got a paddle, homemade paddle, just like that. You could use a paint stick for a handle. Again, you don't have to make one at all. You can just use your hand, but this is something kind of fun that you can try.
It's kind of like a fan.
Now we're going to do the same thing. We are going to keep our balloon up in the air, but now we're not using our hand. We are using our racket, our paddle. So go ahead, kiddos. Try that. See if you can keep your balloon in the air. There you go.
Frying pan. Frying pan.
Solomon says frying pan. I don't think you would want to use a frying pan.
Well,
That doesn't seem like the safest thing to do, but maybe.
you could use this because it's like a frying pan.
Asa wants to give it a try.
Asa wants to give it a try. There's your paddle, buddy. Now, boys and girls, as always, make sure that you're talking to an adult, asking for an adult's help to help you make some of these things. Make sure you're not tearing the house apart without an adult knowing it. Very important. Okay. Awesome, guys. Now, Solomon, I'll take yours.
It's like flipping an egg on a plate.
Finley, why don't you stand here? Solomon, you stand over here. Now we're just going to keep it up in the air, but we're going to hit it back and forth with our partner. Oh, we try to keep it in the air though, bud. So, boys and girls, try to hit up. Again, using that underhand swing. Here you go, Solly. Go, Finley. Oh. It helps not to have the youngest sibling running around as a target. Can you hit it up to Finley, Solomon? There you go. Hit it up, Finley. Hit it up. There you go. Okay. And then if we get really fancy, boys and girls, we can make our own net. And we came up with something here, just a sheet and some kitchen chairs. And now, oh, Solomon, stay on your side, buddy. Stay on your side. Now, we have a net, and we are going to try to hit it back and forth over the net. Now, maybe we'll try without the paddles to start. Here, Sally. I'll take the paddle. Okay, so Finley, just hit it back and forth to Solomon. Hit it back, Solly. No, don't catch it. We're hitting it. Keep it in the air. Same thing, but we're trying to keep it in the air over our net. There you go. Hit it again. Finley, keep your hands on your side of the net. Keep it up, Solly. There you go. Keep bringing it back. Bring it back. It back this way. Hit it back this way. Yes, you can. There you go. Here you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Hit it over to Finley. Oh, run, Solly. Hit it again. Hit it again. There is no limit on how many times. Oh, Finley, you can't catch it, honey. You have to just hit it. There's no limit on how many times you can hit the ball or the balloon. Hit it as many times as you need to. Practice those volleying and striking skills. Have some fun. Get some cardio. Oh, there you go, Finley. There you go. Solomon, eyes up. There you go. Good job. Now you're getting it, guys. And again, we have a defender in the middle here, a little brother. Asa is running around. But those, boys and girls, are some fun striking and volleying skills for you to work on this week. I know it's kind of chilly outside. We had snow, right, last night and a little bit this morning. But that will be gone in a few days. The weather will get nice. Get outside, keep moving, stay active, and I will see you soon. Bye.